Hello, my name is Aman and this is my programmable robotic arm. As this robotic arm can be controlled by the following joysticks and using our Android device by Bluetooth. As I turn on this robot, we can control its movement for the base, for the shoulder, for the elbow and the gripper. We can program the robot and play the program step. We can cancel the program step by pressing restart button using program. We can use our Android device for controlling this robot. As I transfer the controls, you can notice the LED stop glowing. And to check our robot is connected or not, we can use the alarm sound. Now we can position our base, shoulder, elbow, and our gripper. We can also program it, run it and restart it. By this app we can also get the positions of the robot and we can set our own criteria for the robot.